whisper secrets low through fields where moonlit shadows grow. Each step a ripple in the stream, a quiet hum, a fragile dream. Whisper